Lavish Blue, and I am back with another video today. So today I'm taking you guys with me to get my wig installed. This wig is from Westkiss Hair, and this is a 16-inch 13 by 4 medium cap, 150% density. So to me, you guys, overall the hair is good, so I wouldn't lie to you about that. As far as the price, it's not, you know, it's not. So everything about this hair, I'm going to leave it in the description box below as far as my style. Hey guys, it's your girl Lavish, and I am back with the voiceover. So right here, I am pretty much just going to show you guys a quick unboxing of how I received my hair. You guys, I want to say this, and after this, I'm going to go. This video is not sponsored. I did purchase this wig with my own money. So I don't want you guys to think that this is a sponsored video and I am being paid to say these things about this hair. No. I decided to go on AliExpress and look through good reviews. You know, like good 4- and 5-star hair companies. That's what I did. So enjoy the rest of the unboxing, and I'll be back once it's time for my stylist to install my wig. So you guys, right here I am pretty much just removing the stuffing out of the wig and showing you guys how the wig came out of the pack. You guys, I am very impressed with the texture of this wig. As far as the quality of the hair, I don't know, but rubbing my hands through the hair is very soft. It's not shedding at all. It maybe was little to none on the shedding. As far as the lace, I don't know anything about lace, so I will let my stylist tell me about the quality of the lace once he customize it and all that fun stuff. So mwah. So this is my hair stylist, and he is pretty much just blow drying that got-to-be spray. And this is one of his ball cap methods. He used this method before he applied any type of lace. And that's just pretty much what he's doing right here. So right here, my hairstylist is just removing that excess cap. If you guys are enjoying this video, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments down below. And please hit the subscribe button to become a part of the Lavish gang. So next, he is just pretty much getting that concealer in the color fawn, and he is going to apply that on the stocking cap so that when he apply my lace front wig, my wig blends in naturally with my skin. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to come in real quick and let you guys know how shook I am at this wig. I say that to say this. We hear so many bad things about AliExpress, you guys, down to the communication with the vendors, the quality of the hair, the quality of the lace, all that. So if you guys can, just check out the description box below, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed with this hair. So that's it with the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments down in the comment section. If you guys want to see more from me and my stylist, please leave a comment. I love you. Bye.